Acuity scheduling, now part of Squarespace, allows you to create different appointment types, each tailored with specific durations, buffers, and intake forms. This helps streamline your scheduling process, reduce no-shows, and improve client experiences. As of December 2025, Acuity leverages AI to optimize scheduling, offering features such as AI-driven buffer time suggestions and enhanced intake form customization. We'll cover these updates and more. Durations define the length of each appointment type. Proper configuration prevents overbooking and ensures accurate availability calculations. To set a duration, navigate to Settings in your Acuity dashboard. Then select Appointment Types and choose Add Type. Name your appointment, for example, Initial Consultation. Then specify the length, such as 30 minutes or 1 hour. Acuity supports durations up to 12 hours. It also allows for recurring slots. Buffer times are crucial for efficient scheduling in Acuity. They help prevent overbooking and allow time for preparation or transitions between appointments. The two main types are lead time and padding. Lead time requires a minimum notice period before bookings can be made, such as 24 hours, which helps avoid last-minute requests. Padding adds extra time after each appointment for tasks like cleanup, note-taking, or preparation for the next client. Research indicates that using buffers effectively can reduce scheduling errors by 20 to 30%, improving overall efficiency and client satisfaction. To set up these buffers, locate the Buffers section in the Appointment Type settings when you're creating or editing a new appointment type in Acuity. Beyond basic lead time and padding, Acuity lets you block specific hours to prevent bookings during times like lunch breaks. This is configured within the Buffers settings. Furthermore, Acuity now uses AI to suggest optimal buffer times based on your historical booking data, minimizing scheduling conflicts and reducing the risk of overruns. These AI suggestions are found under Advanced Buffer Options. Intake forms allow you to collect essential client information upfront, saving time during appointments. Create custom forms with various question types, including multiple choice, text fields, and file uploads. Link these forms to specific appointment types. You can also enable pre-appointment submissions. Enhanced customization features include conditional logic, where follow-up questions appear based on initial responses. This supports compliance with regulations like HIPAA for healthcare providers. Start by defining the duration for your appointment type. For an initial consultation, set it to 45 minutes. This duration ensures sufficient time for a comprehensive first meeting while keeping slots manageable. Next, set the buffer times. Add a 24-hour lead time buffer to require advance notice for bookings, which helps with planning. Include 15 minutes of padding after each appointment to allow time for documentation or client transitions, reducing scheduling conflicts. Link a pre-built intake form to the appointment type. Use the new client intake form to gather essential information like medical history up front, which saves time during the actual consultation and ensures compliance. Assign the appointment type to your main calendar for visibility. Set the pricing, such as $100 for the consultation. Enable email and SMS notifications to keep clients informed of confirmations and reminders, which reduces no-shows. Finally, save your configuration. Test your new appointment type by booking a sample appointment. Check that the 45-minute duration, 24-hour lead time, 15-minute padding, and intake form all function as expected. This final step confirms everything is set up properly for real clients. Acuity's integration of AI for scheduling is a significant trend. The AI tools predict optimal durations and buffer times based on client behavior. Integrations with AI assistants like ChatGPT for form generation are emerging. Expect continued focus on telehealth and hybrid models with improved Zoom integration. Future trends include VR for virtual appointments and blockchain for secure data sharing. The industry is moving towards smart scheduling, where AI optimizes all elements for better efficiency. A dermatology clinic uses Acuity to create initial skin check appointments lasting 45 minutes with 15-minute buffers and detailed intake forms. This setup helps reduce wait times and improves patient satisfaction. A consulting firm sets up discovery calls as 15-minute appointments with no buffers and simple intake forms. This efficient setup helps qualify prospects quickly and reduces rescheduling. Experts praise Acuity scheduling for its simplicity and AI-driven buffers that help prevent professional burnout. Statistics reveal that 78% of users value buffers highly, and intake forms can reduce no-shows by 15 to 20%. By customizing durations, buffers, and intake forms in Acuity scheduling, you can optimize your scheduling process and significantly enhance client engagement.